Hi everyone. For a long time, I have been evolved in the Python, and I am introducing this weather reporter project, which is a bit of NumPy. And the thing is, we should know the significance of NumPy in the prediction world. That is my main aspect of doing this project. It's a small video, and it will. I hope it will create you some enthusiasm towards learning more and more NumPy, because most of the world, whatever the AI world today, is born from the Python packages actually, because they are built to handle numerical values. And NumPy it itself defines numbers, and Python mixed with NumPy package name itself defines it. And go through the following video. Don't stop till the end. Actually, I am creating a simple weather report data. That is nothing which involves temperature, humidity, and pressure. I'm importing NumPy. After that, the random seed is nothing but 0 is given, and here the temperatures, humidity, and pressure are given. There are the it gets a random number of values that are 1000 samples, and with a normal distribution which has a mean of 25 degrees and standard deviation 5 degrees. Similarly, humidity and pressure respectively. And after that, I given a general random. If it is rainy, then the temperature should be less than 22, and humidity should be greater than 65, pressure should be 1010, and I'm giving the labels. And this is nothing but it creates labels on basis of this, and I get labels also which resembles the y value. Let me check there. Here I should run first the thing, import NumPy. I run it. After that, I'm running the temperature. 0th index is 33.82, and first index is this one. This is the temperature values. It varies from 0 to 999 index, and as mentioned, similarly other data also vary. Let me also check about the labels. Let me tell labels of, let me check 55 is to 66 or 65. Let it be. What's happening here? Let me give 30. Let me give 100. Yeah, here I get labels as 1, 0, 1. Here 1 is nothing but rainy. There are 2 rainy days, and these are all sunny days. Actually the data is not so regular, the data. I'm taking the temperature, humidity, and pressure as column stack, which creates a table. It means it's a 2D array which creates a table for temperature, humidity, and pressure. After that, y values are reshaped, and after that x is additional bias term is added. And the x is reconstructed using the hedge stack, so that we get 4 values as x. You can see how it will be. I'll show you here the thing. Let me run this first. After running it, we'll run this. Yeah, here the first thing is nothing but c value. C value is nothing but bias term. These are the weights of respect to temperature, pressure, and humidity. And after that, you can check also y values. As I mentioned before, there will be ones and zeros as so far. After that, initializing parameters. The weights I'm initializing is nothing but zeros, all zeros. Let me show how it will be. The weights, initial weights are 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, you should keep it in mind. After that, the functions I want to express is sigmoid function. It is nothing but a form of 1 by 1 plus e power minus z. Z is nothing but the function which is a regressive function. That is, you can see like this: y minus mx minus c can be the regressive function z. In that form it will be. The predictive the prediction is nothing but the dot of x and weights is the prediction, because weights are meant we give temperature, pressure values, and the weights of them are multiplied, and we get the result. That is the in a sigmoid result. Okay, it is the prediction form. it will be a probability like thing, and that probability is related. Okay, in that way we should think, and at the end we should evaluate the uh, whatever the model we build. We use the compute cost. Compute cost is nothing but log loss function. The log loss function will help us relatively easy to evaluate the model we have built. Okay, this is the, you can go through these, you should do some research on these things, and after this I will run everything, and after you should train the model. Before that, there is a thing called gradient descent. Everyone asks what is gradient descent. Actually, you can relate gradient descent to binary search. Both are the algorithms which are used for optimization. Binary search is an algorithm which is optimizes a searching process. In the similar way, gradient descent is an algorithm which reduces the time required for the calculation of weights, or you can also tell like searching of weights. Binary search is optimizing the searching process, gradient descent is optimizing the searching process of weights. Yeah, getting the weights. In that way you can relate. You should do some research, time required for the calculation of weights, or you can also grade it has a fan base in the prediction world of data science, or and you will go through it throughout my series of this involve and evolve series. After that, there is a train model. We should train model. The hyperparameters are the parameters which we have been judged through doing many experiments, and these hyperparameters are involved in gradient descent, and gradient descent gives the outputs of weights and chords. In this way model is gets trained. Gradient descent is the model we have trained, and the gradient descent is giving the weights and chords to train. After that, there is a train model. We should train model. The hyperparameters are the parameters which we have. After that we should make predictions. This is the thing, prediction probability and why predict. After that we should evaluate the model. For evaluating model, I take mean of every prediction, so that a mean is in the percentage form, and is like 0.75 or something like that, which is multiplied by 100, so that we can get accuracy. Let's see what is the accuracy of our model which we have prepared so far, we have trained so far. The accuracy of the model we have trained so far is 97.00%. And after that, this is I prepared a simple report like thing. Let me generate it's let me run it. It is asking temperature. Let me give the temperature as 20 degrees. Enter. It is asking the humidity. As per now, let me take the humidity let's guess 10. It's asking pressure. Let me give 100. Yeah, it's giving it's sunny probably prediction. It has a default in predicting values. Yeah, I want to describe the thing is you can use NumPy in building the basic blocks of each and every aspect of prediction we make through so far. But the thing is, we should also work on the things which should be eliminated. That is the task I'm giving to you. Okay, the task I'm giving to you is the simple weather report should be precise with your own techniques. Use your own techniques and tag it to my tag your GitHub repository. Actually, we have finished the task, and keep in my comments your name of your GitHub with your repository, whichever you made the precise calculation, and finish the task. I hope you follow this series, and let's involve and evolve, because AI is so far involved in every aspect of this world. So we as a students and we as a working professionals or any field, we should know how the AI is working. That is the main thing we should know. And I hope I will give the best from my side, and thank you for being with me till the end and watching this video till the end. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.